If you already have a list of sub-accounts that you have from a different accounting software or a different QuickBooks account that you're wanting to just import into your QuickBooks Online account, and you don't want to have to manually enter every single one, then this video is for you. If we're just meeting, my name is Melinda, and I'm a QuickBooks Online Certified Pro Advisor and owner of 406 Bookkeeping Services, LLC. If you're a business owner and you would like to see if we're a good fit to partner with your business for bookkeeping services, then check out the link in the description of this video. And at the end of this video, I'll also be sharing how you can attend my free QuickBooks Online crash course. So stick around for that. Now we're logged into QuickBooks Online here, and we're going to click on the gear icon right up here in the top right of your screen, and we're going to click here on Chart of Accounts. Now over on the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see a green button here that says New, and it has a drop down arrow right beside it. So we're going to click on this drop down arrow, and you'll see here that it says Import. So let's go ahead and click that button. Now here it shows that we can import accounts or sub-accounts with a CSV or Excel file, or with Google Sheets. And underneath both of these options, we have a sample file that we can download or preview that'll show us how our file needs to be set up in order for it to be imported into QuickBooks. So we're going to click here on Download a Sample File, and we're going to click here and open this up. And this is how QuickBooks is wanting us to format our file. So if we use account numbers, then you're going to want to have a column here on the left for that with each account number listed here. And at the top, you're going to want to title it account number. Now, if you don't use account numbers in QuickBooks, then you're going to leave this column off. Now, next, we're going to fill in the account name beside each sub-account that you want to import. But here's the important part. If you fill this column in just like it shows here in this example, then each of these are going to show up as a parent account and not as a sub-account. So we need to make edits to this if we want them to be sub-accounts. So how we fix that is if we want to import a sub-account, we'll enter in the spreadsheet the name of the account that we want to be the parent account, and then we'll enter a colon. So let's go here. We're going to enter a colon, and then you're going to enter the name of the sub-account following that colon. You'll then make sure you have the type here, meaning is it an expense, is it a bank account, an asset, or so on and so forth. And then over here, your detail type as well. Make sure that is correct. And then you can import the file into QuickBooks. So we have a spreadsheet here with some sub-accounts already entered in that we want to upload into our QuickBooks Online file. So as you can see here at the top, we're importing a parent account that is called Legal and Professional Fees. And then we're also going to import a sub-account here called Accounting, Bookkeeper, and Lawyer. Now, what if your parent account is already in QuickBooks, but you want to just import some sub-accounts to go under that parent account? No problem. So what you're going to do here is you're going to enter in that parent account that's already in QuickBooks. You're going to enter in a colon, and then whatever the name of your sub-account is going to be right here. So for our example, we're going to have automobile, which is already in our QuickBooks account, and then we're going to have parking as our sub-account and repairs as our sub-account. Then of course, we'll set our type and our detail type, and then we're ready to import this file into QuickBooks Online. Now, if you're using a Mac computer, you're going to need to make sure this file is set as a CSV or an Excel file instead of numbers, or it's not going to import. So to do that, you're going to go over to the top left of your screen up here at File. You're going to click on that and go down here to where it shows Export To. Hover over that and either choose Excel or CSV. So we're going to choose CSV, and next it's going to pop up this here option, and we're going to click Next. Then you're going to name your file, choose where you want it to download to, and click Export right here in the green button. And our CSV or Excel file is now created. So we're going to switch back to QuickBooks here, and we're going to click on the Browse button right here. And we're going to choose the file that we just created, which is this CSV file, and we're going to click Open. Now you can see here that our file has populated in this field here, and we're going to go down to the bottom right, and we're going to click Next. Now on this screen, we're going to make sure that our fields of our spreadsheet are mapped out correctly with the QuickBooks Online fields, and then we're going to go back down here on the bottom right and click Next again. Now here we're just going to double check to make sure all the information that we're entering is correct, and then we're going to go down here to the green Import button at the bottom right. Now, if you accidentally choose to enter an account name or a sub-account name that's already in QuickBooks, QuickBooks is going to alert you of that. And it's told us here that 5 of the 6 accounts were successfully imported, but we had Legal and Professional Fees parent account already set up in QuickBooks. So we're just going to unselect it here, and then we're going to click Import. And as you can see, 5 of 6 accounts were successfully imported into our chart of accounts. So now if we scroll down and we find our automobile accounts, See, it's going to be right here. We're now going to see our parking and repairs subaccounts underneath our parent account of automobile. And if we scroll a little further, we'll see our legal and professional fees, and now we have our subaccounts of accounting, bookkeeper, and lawyer. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I've recorded a QuickBooks Online crash course for busy business owners like yourself. I know your time is valuable, so I've created this concise QuickBooks in 30 minutes crash course where I guide you through the essentials of QuickBooks Online. I cover everything from choosing the correct QuickBooks account for your business needs, syncing your bank and your credit card accounts, invoicing your customers, entering your bills, categorizing transactions, generating financial reports, and so much more, all within 30 minutes. If you're ready to streamline your bookkeeping and get back to running your business with confidence, then check out the link to the crash course in the description of this video. Now, if you found value in this video, I'd be honored if you'd give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And if you'd like to be notified when we post our next video, then hit that subscribe button. And one more thing, if you have a question or topic that you'd like us to cover, go ahead and leave us a comment below. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out the video where I cover how to merge subaccounts, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.